Hello everyone, it's Gina and welcome to my channel and to another unboxing of the limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. This is the March edition and let's see what we got. Alright, let's get started. We've got our 3 packs of paper flowers. These are from 49 Market. Ooh, I love the colors. Oh, these are great. Look, the muted kind of earthy tones. That's right up my alley. Love them. Gorgeous. And, ooh, what do we have here? Let's see. So again, from 49 Market, Wedgwood Ephemera Stacks. How about that? Okay, wow. I've not seen anything like this before. I can't wait to take a closer look, but we'll do that at the end. And let's keep going. We've got some very sweet stickers. I'm sorry, not stickers, what am I saying? Stamps. Clear stamps. Sending happy thoughts, missing you. Thanks, friend. Aw. And some flowers. That's nice. You know, I've got a couple of stamps that have the different grades of where you can stamp. And honestly, I need to explore that more. I don't really know how to do that. So maybe that's something I'll have to work through in another video in case you all have them too. So that is on my to-do list. But those are great. And oh wow, look at this stencil. It's from Prima. It's 6x6. And look at that. I love that. Just kind of a scattered, non-conforming, just kind of a mess. I love it. Let's see if I can figure out what it's called. Switch my glasses. Let's see. Composition book. Huh. That's a great stencil. I am super excited about that. I want to use that soon. All right. Let's get on with our papers. Looks like we have a pretty thick stack here. And again, one of my favorite things are these laser cut images. I love those. And look, there's a book. And look at that lace. Look how delicate. Oh, it's gorgeous. And the butterflies and flower. Look, a ticket. Wow, that's really pretty. Oh, I love laser cut stuff. Oops. Bendy's sounding off. Hold on. All right, I'm back. She's been extra barky today. I don't know what her what her problem is. Let's see. Oh, we have another page. Oh, look at the blues. That is so pretty. Today, beauty, all good things. Isn't that neat? That was Dream. Oh, and the flowers. Oh, I just love it. Love laser cut stuff. Ephemera. Laser cut images, you know, because it gets right up to the edge. There's no white border. I just love them. This is my preference, and they are gorgeous. Okay, I think we are actually to the papers now. Beautiful blue, just a nice background. Oh, look at that. Okay, here is, let's see where I can see what it says. This is Vintage Artistry Wedgwood. So that's the name of the collection from 49 Market. And this page is called Breeze. Isn't that pretty? Like that, like it, like it. Oh, that's nice. Okay, and, oops. And this page is called Rarefied. Rarefied? Okay. I think I said that right. Rarefied. But isn't that pretty? I love the images there with the flowers. And it's subdued. It's just, oh wow, look at that. Another awesome background. Like even to that, look at how pretty that would be. Awesome. And is this, nope, that's not the same. This one's called Sublime. Thought for a moment it was the same. It does look very similar, but the flowers are, you know, it's a little bit different. Images are a little bit different, but kind of in that same style. But this one is Sublime. Woo! And got the blue on the back of that. Beautiful. Ooh, this is a dark blue. Let's see. Revel. That's the name of this one, is Revel. I love 49 and Market papers. They are gorgeous. And they are super sturdy. Like, these are really thick papers. Okay, we have a really light blue on this side and a really dark blue. Isn't that gorgeous? All right. I haven't made cards in a long time, and I might have to make some cards. I might have to. I know they're not usually my most popular videos, but it's funny, I kind of go in and out of, I'll get in like a bin where I'm really kind of into card making, and that's just kind of where my head's at, and I want to do that. But it's actually been a while since I've kind of gotten in that zone, but I'm starting to feel like I might get there soon, because these papers are gorgeous. What is this one? Afterglow. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Ooh, pretty orange. Love it. So pretty. Oh, here's another really pale page. This one's called Sunset. Very sweet. Look at how delicate the images are on this page. Very delicate. Look at that. Nice. And a more subdued orange color. Very nice. Isn't that pretty? And this one is Golden Dream. Now, okay, this looks like a little bit of a different collection. It's still 49 and Market and Vintage Artistry Every Day. Instead of, let me get it, Vintage Artistry Wedgwood, which is the collection we've been looking at. This one's Vintage Artistry Every Day. So, changed collections briefly, and this is Golden Dream. Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It is kind of a gold color, isn't it? It's beautiful. Oh, and it would be great with this one. Look, it goes with this one. And it is in the same collection. This one is called Lucent Ladies. That's funny. Pretty butterflies. We got some print. Nice. Oh, that's nice too. Isn't that gorgeous? These strips have such beautiful images on them. All right. Let's put this back together, and well, I'll tell you what, let me just go ahead and move it over here. I'll put it back together after we're done looking at our ephemera pack. I can't wait to see this. Wow. Oops, don't go away. You know, look at the page, just the cardboard. Isn't that gorgeous? That comes with, I save these. I have just a bunch of them. A lot of times, you know, I tend to, you know, do a lot of practice things on packaging, and just look how gorgeous that is. Yeah, you could definitely use this for something. So hang on to those. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Oh wow, just like, you know, you see me rip pages a lot. Look, it's already got that ripped look. That's awesome. Ah, that's awesome. Tickets, other pages. It's like somebody just went ahead and ripped some pages up for me already. How thoughtful. That's great. Isn't that neat? Oh, boy, that'd be great to put in an ephemera book, or put in a junk journal. That would be great. Nice. Very cool. Such a neat idea. I mean, how often do I, you know, I rip stuff anyway. The envelope. There we go, the butterflies. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That's so thick. Got a couple of these. Nice. More ripped pages. Oh, look. Oh, what do you call those things? Oh, I forgot. I had one when I was a kid, the little projector. You slid the little film in and, oh, somebody help me. What's it called? Maybe I'll think of it. Oh, here's another one. Another envelope. And more ticket stubs. And here's a ticket stub that has like a background. There's a couple of those. Well, that was really neat. That's unlike any other ephemera kit or ephemera packet I've ever gotten in a monthly kit. So that was really cool. All right, let me get this stuff together and we'll take another quick look and do a recap. All right, we have 8 high quality, beautiful papers from 49 and Market and 2 absolutely gorgeous laser cutouts for ephemera. And we have this very unusual and totally awesome huge pack of ephemera. Came with the most interesting items, most unusual. I love it. This super cool stencil from Prima. This very lovely stamp set, and it's from Hampton Art. And our 3 fantastic packs of paper flowers from 49 and Market. And there you go. That is the March limited edition kit for my creative scrapbook. I always have a link in the description box, so if you are interested in taking a look at my creative scrapbook to see what they're all about, then by all means you may click the link. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just love getting their kit. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I would love a thumbs up to let me know that you did enjoy it, and leave a message. Help me think of what that piece was called. I was hoping to think of it before I came back to you, and I just can't. I can't think of what it's called. So if you had one when you were a kid, please leave it in the message below. Help me. Thank you. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.